Did you know your security camera might not be recording anything, even though it looks like it is? And the worst part? You probably won't notice until it's too late. Today, I'm going to show you a hidden problem affecting thousands of low-cost security cameras, especially those using apps like iCSee. And yes, your footage might already be gone. So here's what happened. I had a 32 gigabytes micro SD card that worked perfectly fine on my security camera. No issues. No errors. Then I inserted it into another cheap security camera. At first, everything looked normal. Recording, playback, everything working. But after a while, something strange started happening when I put the card back into my original camera. The camera was recording. I could see the footage. Playback was working. Everything looked normal. But the moment the camera restarted, everything disappeared. All the recordings were gone. Just like that. So I took the card out and plugged it into my computer. I deleted some files. They disappeared. But when I removed the card and plugged it back in, all the files came back. Every single one. So, I tried something else. I tried to format the card. And that's when things got worse. Windows gave me an error. Windows was unable to complete the format. That's not just a bug. That's a dead SD card. Here's what's actually happening. Micro SD cards use flash memory, and that memory wears out over time. When it starts to fail, the controller inside the card can lock it down to prevent further damage. Sometimes it goes into read-only mode. But in more severe cases, it becomes completely corrupted. No formatting. No writing. No recovery. The system might still detect the card, but it's basically unusable. And here's the scary part. Your camera might still look like it's recording, but in reality, nothing is being saved. Now, let's talk about iCSee cameras. Many low-cost cameras, especially ones using apps like iCSee, don't properly warn you when something like this happens. No alerts. No errors. No notifications. Everything looks normal. Until the day you actually need the footage. And there's nothing there. So what causes this? Cheap camera hardware. Unstable power supply. Continuous recording stress. And low-quality or worn-out SD cards. These cards are not built to last forever, especially under constant recording. So here's what you should do right now. First, test your SD card. Try to format it. If you get an error like, Windows was unable to complete the format, that's a major red flag. Second, try deleting files and reconnecting the card. If the files come back, your card is failing or already dead. And third, replace it immediately. If you're using security cameras, always use high-endurance SD cards. They are designed for continuous recording and last much longer. Because a security camera that doesn't record is worse than having no camera at all. At least you wouldn't have a false sense of security. If this helped you, subscribe to support the channel. We test real-world security risks that most people ignore. And, trust me, there's a lot more you're not seeing. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.